This is some good racing right here.
It's so intense at this level for both of these champions to be racing at this level and trying not to make any mistakes.
And his lines are a little bit better. He's getting out of the rough lines, and he's just setting everything up, like you said, Chad.
Both riders been very smart, very patient.
Makes it a lot easier.
Oh, look at this.
Here it is.
This is why everybody packs into the stadium on his way to victory number 10 as he lights the candles on top of the victory finish line.
Do you remember? Do you remember?
We're out here at Riverdale Motocross Track. This is actually really like the kids' first real motocross track. We got here, they started on the little 50 Pee Wee track. They did really well. They wanted to try this track with the big bikes. It's not technical or anything, but it is kind of high speed. They're actually doing really well. Who's this right here? Here comes Luke. Apparently they're not afraid of the big bikes, and apparently they're not afraid to go fast. They're doing really well. All right, here we got Luke with the green chest protector on. All right, here we got Mason. Okay, Mason was going a lot faster earlier. This is my theory. I just put a GoPro on Mason. Mason goes faster without the GoPro. Here's Luke. My theory is Mason goes faster without the GoPro because when you put the GoPro on, he's talking and he's trying to commentate and vlog while he's riding. I think it slows him down a little bit.
I've got a question. Why do I talk a lot?
I think we've got Luke coming over the hill. Good job, buddy. Here's Mason right here. Nice, buddy. I think we got Luke coming up here. I'm a proud dad right now. Like, for being the noobs amongst the track full of noobs, we're doing pretty good. One of the good things I can say, one of the surprising things, is that the kids have done several laps without crashing once. So I've been able to walk around and film at different spots. Usually I'm walking around, picking up one kid, getting him going, and then going to the other side of the track, picking up the other kid, getting him going. This is great. They've done several laps, haven't crashed. I've just been getting footage. Okay, you can stop and take a break if you want, buddy. I know these kids would be faster if they would just take a break for like 10 minutes and cool off, but they don't want to stop. Also, they don't want to listen to me. They don't want to stop, and they also don't want to listen to their dad. So it's a tough combination.
And now it's time for another ride with Mason.
Okay, YouTube. This is gonna be awesome.
That was this week's ride with Mason.
this level and trying not to make any mistakes.
And his lines are a little bit better. He's getting out of the rough lines, and he's just setting everything up, like you said, Chad.
Both riders been very smart, very patient.
Makes it a lot easier.
Oh, look at this.
Here it is.
This is why everybody heads into the stadium on his way to victory number 10 as he lights the candles on top of the victory finish line.
I'm wondering, I'll have to ask him, but I'm wondering if Luke's got that thing pinned. I wonder what gear he's in. It sounds like maybe third. Sounds like third gear. He may be pinned through this straightaway. I don't know. Hard to tell how fast that little 110 can go. You run out of gas?
I don't know. I either ran out of gas and stopped moving.
Okay. Yeah, it's got a little bit of gas in there. I think it just needs to cool off. Remember it did that before? What gear are you in? Are you in third gear on the straightaways? Yeah? And then you're downshifting to second in the turns?
Yeah, and then sometimes they're just second if it's
Are you tapped wide? Like, is the throttle tapped out all the way it can go? No? Mason! Mason, stop! Mason, stop! You got a flat tire, come here. This is one way to end the day, Mason, with a flat tire.
He flattened his tire?
Yeah.
How?
I don't know, it could have like, you know, on a jump or a rock or something.
Yeah.
Maybe some of the spokes came loose, I don't know. Not a big deal though, I mean, I didn't like these tires anyways. I was planning on upgrading them soon.
On some rocks because I ran over some rocks.
You ran over some rocks? Yeah,
And
that
one
can do
was-
it.
And one of them looked like a spike.
Well, it was a spiky rock?
It looked like it.
Uh-huh, yeah. Spiky rocks are the worst kind of rocks to run over with tires.
The following day.
Look at that thing.
So dirty.
So bad. We can't show up to the track with the bike looking like that, Luke. We gotta go watch these.
I'll get off my bike.
Okay, let me see. Good as new. Looks pretty good, guys. Ideally, I would have liked to watch the El Camino too, but we're going to the track tomorrow. It's just gonna get dusty and dirty tomorrow night, so I guess what's the point? Keep it dirty for now. Actually, you know what, now that I think about it, I just realized the back of the bed of the El Camino is completely filthy, so it'd be kind of silly to put the bikes back here. And also, my dad might see this video, so I think we're gonna go ahead and watch it. guess we could have got the front number plate a little bit better, but oh well. And then the doctor said, wrecked him, I nearly killed him.
That was a good one, Dad. That was funny.
So between the 3 bikes and washing the El Camino, we spent $10 in quarters just to get everything clean, looking fresh, looking good for tomorrow. I think it might be worth it to invest in a power washer. So that might be something we might have to do later on. So for right now, we're gonna get the bikes away. We're gonna get rested up, ready for bed. And tomorrow we gotta change oil. We gotta tighten the chain on Mason's bike right here. Maybe that's okay. And get everything prepped and ready to go. Oh, and Mason's got a flat tire, and we gotta get that fixed too. So busy day tomorrow. Okay, I want you to try this bike over here. The orange one that's going by, okay? Here you go, it's just gas and go. I'll let you teach them about it. And Mason, it's 1 gear, okay? No shifting, it's just 1 gear.
Wow, you didn't even hesitate. What a stallion.